Welcome to Texas A&M Agri-Life Extension. My name is Joanna. I'm the Family and Community Health County Extension Agent for Texas A&M Agri-Life Extension. Today, Ms. Yolanda Garza, our MCV Secretary, will teach us how to make a holiday wreath. So get ready for the season. With this, you can do anything. What you'll need are a wreath frame, mesh, ribbon, pipe cleaners, rotary cutter or scissors, some decorative decors, and your glue gun with some glue sticks. Now, let's welcome Ms. Yolanda Garza.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yolanda Garza. I'm the Secretary of the Master's Volunteer Program here. What we're going to do today, we're going to do a mash wreath. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to need a wire metal frame. This is 12-inch. You're going to need two 30 feet decorative deco mesh. You're also going to need 2 rolls of ribbon, 18 pipe cleaners, cut them in half, a rotary cutter, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks, and of course your decorative flame. Okay, so let's get started with the project. I like to do the deco mash because the curly deco mash because it's fun to do and it's easy. Okay, so first of all, you're going to cut your mash. You're going to cut a piece of 9-inch mash, and I found that with the rotary cutter, it's easy to cut, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and all you do is I'm going to cut 6 of them. You're going to need 6 for each section of the metal frames. You're going to need 72 pieces for your wreath. Okay? Now once you cut your mash, you're going to go to your ribbons, and you can I said 2 ribbons, 2 rolls of ribbon. It can be any different. It can be different ones or the same ones, but I found out you can either use 1 or you can use 2 in your when you attaching it to the tubes. Okay, so I'm just going to attach 1. Okay, so you're going to need 2 rolls of 5x8 ribbon, okay, and you're going to cut 36 pieces. Okay, so again, I'm just going to cut 3 of these and 3 of the other ones. I'm using different ones. Okay, so it has, the ribbon is going to be 6 inches. Ribbons, and like I said, you have 36 pieces. So next thing is you're going to roll, and you notice it's already rolled. You're going to roll it into a little tube. Get another one, roll it, and then you're going to get a ribbon and just place it in the middle. Now if you want to use 2, you can crisscross. So it's up to you. Whether you want to use 1 or 2. In this case, I'm just going to use 1. Grab one of your pipe cleaners, just cut it half. You're going to pinch it in the middle. Okay? And then you're going to wrap it around, tie it around. Just put it up and twist it. Across, wrap it, ribbon, place it, pinch it in the middle. Grab another pipe cleaner, copper pipe cleaner. And tie it up. Just tie it. So you're gonna do all this. You're gonna have feather into 2 pieces. Okay, so grab another. Cross it over. And again, if you want to, and I'm just gonna use 2 so you can see it. Okay? This one. Cross it over. In the middle, and then adjusting. This is 2, and this is 1. Okay. So the next step, once you have all 72 clusters, you're going to grab your and you're going to tie one up here, and then the second one you're going to tie it to this too. You want it to be secure. So all you're going to have to do is grab one. Getting those two wires on top, and that's just so you can be secured. Okay. Now the second one, you're going to put it on this bottom too. Okay. So in other words, one on top, then one on the bottom. Grab another one, and this time one up, one down, and again the top. Again, I'll just don't worry if the wire looks too close. Well, you can always adjust this piece too. You're done. And once you're finished with all of them, the magic of video. All 36, 72 pieces. And again, you can adjust it. Okay. Make sure everything looks okay. And then come to now next part comes the fun part. You're going to get these decorative. And I've chosen this once. And I've chose this to be my centerpiece. Okay. So again, all you do is place it in the middle. And again, using one of your pipe cleaners, you can tie it around. You might have to glue it too, but we'll wait and see. Okay, it's up to you. Move it more up if you want to, or it just depends on how you want your centerpiece to look. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is grab some decorative flowers. I figured this would be cute. See, so all you do is grab that. And just place some center. You can also add leaves if you want to. Yeah. So you keep doing that. continue adding or just leave it as it is. It's up to you. Now, if you wanted to for this to be done, just glue, add glue and just pin it to it. Another thing I like about the curly deco mesh is you don't have to worry about that. It's all yeah. Now this one's a 12-inch. Let me show you a 14-inch difference. This is done with a 14-inch. I notice it's a little bit bigger. Slides this one. This is a 14-inch. The size of the deco mesh, I want about 1 inch more. In other words, instead of 9-inch, I need a 10-inch. There are bigger, wider, more mesh, and of course the longer deco mesh. Okay. Well, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this project. Have a great day.
Thank you, Ms. Garza. Now, if you made this project, don't forget to hashtag MCVRGVSew and follow us on our Facebook page, AgriLife Extension Family Resources Hidalgo County, and don't forget to like our YouTube channel.